everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to make some bread today. There are no preservatives. This is your homemade bread. Let's make bread. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I have here 1 cup of warm water, about 110 degrees or room temperature. 1 level tablespoon of sugar. You can use any kind of yeast, it doesn't really matter. And about 3 tablespoons of yeast. I'm going to mix this until it dissolves. And I'm just going to set this aside and let it double. So for 1 cup, I should have about 2 cups, or until it covers. In this bowl, I have 10 cups of flour, just regular all-purpose flour. You can use a flour of your choice, whatever kind of flour you desire to use. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and the cup of yeast. I'm also adding 3 cups of water, so that's 2 and 1, 3 cups. I mixed in the yeast, 3 cups of warm water, and half a cup of oil. I'm just going to mix this all together. Now I just mixed everything up, the water, the flour, the sugar, the yeast, and the oil. And I'm just going to let it sit for about 10 minutes before I start kneading the flour. It's been about 10 or 15 minutes, so now I'm going to go ahead and knead the dough. It's pretty soft, so I'm going to go ahead and add some flour. I'm just going to bring this over to my kneading board. I'm just going to go ahead and knead this flour. So I've completed the kneading of the flour. It has this kind of consistency. I'm just going to cover it and let it raise for an hour. It has been about an hour and the dough has risen. I'm going to go ahead now and divide it up into pieces so that I can make my bread. My hands have been washed. I floured my surface. Here's my dough. Okay. So this is my dough. I'm going to divide it in 3. I'm just going to grease my dish. Put my bread in here. Just put some butter on it. And I'll just leave it to raise to the level of the pan before I put it in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and grease this pan. So here you have it. So here you have it. I have 8 cinnamon rolls. Some raisins. I'm just going to roll this over. Add some butter. Sprinkle some cinnamon. A little bit of sugar. Now these bread, as well as the cinnamon roll and the raisin roll, I'm going to put it in the oven at 375 and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. Well, here you have the bread fresh out of the oven. I'm going to show you. Ooh, smoking. Delicious. Look at that. And this is my raisin bread. smoking. And these are the cinnamon rolls. Yum, this is so nice. So there you have it. Bread. Fresh homemade bread. Right out of the oven. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And let me know what you want to see me make.